Begin with present scenario of public health. Today's technological era has made our work very much easier, but have driven globalization, digital innovation, industrialization, leading to a fast-paced life, faulty food habits, sedentary lifestyle, which these adversely affect physical health of diet, physical activity, sleep, and emotional well-being. In Ayurveda, highly precise principles for all four dimensions are present, which serve as shield against lifestyle disorders and can be effectively applied for the prevention and management of lifestyle disorders. Let us see one by one very briefly. Dietary principles for food intake. Research confirms that inappropriate food, inadequate amount at irregular time significantly contributes to the lifestyle disorders. In Ayurveda, importance to adequate food, appropriate time and at regular time is prescribed under various principles like Trivid Kukshi, Pathya Apathya, Viruddha Ahar, Ashtavid Ahar Vishesh Ayatan, etc. The one slope which summarizes the maximum things is Ushnam Ashniyat, Snigdham Ashniyat, Matravat Ashniyat, Jeernam Ashniyat, Virya Aviruddham Ashniyat, Isht Deshe, Isht Upkramanam Ashniyat, Atmanam Abhisamiksh Samyak. Principles for sleep and physical activity. Late night waking strongly associated with lifestyle disorders. Body between 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. regulates very important hormones. And researchers say that if person awakes late night for a continuously 7 years, he or she will be more prone to type 2 diabetes, obesity and thyroid disorders. Ayurveda recommends daily practice of Vyayam Yoga Dhyan and says it not only keeps us physically healthy but enhances mental well-being also. Laghavam Karma Samartham Sthairyam Dukh Sahishnata Dosh Chayo Agni Ridhishta Vyayamad Upjanati. This slide shows the daily recommended practices in Ayurveda which enhance circulation, improves digestion, supports detox and promotes restful sleep, hence protect us from lifestyle disorders. Dharani Adharani Ve, this is a very important principle and the idea was to develop habits that respect body's natural biological signals and approach which can prevent many lifestyle disorders. And nowadays we are doing just opposite, suppressing non-suppressible urges and not suppressing recommended suppressible urges, thus inviting so many lifestyle disorders. Sadvrit and Acharya Rasayan. Sadvrit codes of conduct, disciplined routines, body care methods, mindful eating, emotional regulation, everything is mentioned under this heading. And Acharya Rasayan, it is a special type of Rasayan based on ethical values, means not by medicine. It cultivates compassion which improves social harmony and protects us from lifestyle disorders. Conclusion. Popularity of Ayurveda has grown significantly over the last decade, not only in the Indian subcontinent but to other parts of the world also. It is recognized as traditional system of medicine in over 30 countries and Ayush products are exported in more than 100 countries. During COVID-19 pandemic, active role played by Ayush system has strengthened public trust and confidence. The Government of India is making extensive efforts to promote Ayurveda through various programs such as Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda, Ayush Aapke Dwar, morning yoga and consultation sessions in the park, and as our respected Thomas sir has mentioned, Prakriti Parikshan Abhiyan. Many new colleges and hospitals have been established. This Ayush University is also one of them. The Global Center for Traditional Medicine, GCTM in Jamnagar, is a historic step of global collaboration for inclusive healthcare solutions. So, it's moral duty of we all Ayurvedic people to work hand in hand with government and wholeheartedly contribute in addressing emerging health challenges of modern era. Let's bring Ayurveda back into everyday health for a life free of lifestyle disorders. Thank you. Jai Dhanvantari, Jai Ram.